We start by taking off the window sash from the frame so we can easily get to the frame itself. Once we got access to it, we can slide it into the prepared opening. It is crucial that the nail flange is snugly fitted against the exterior wall surface to ensure a tight and durable installation. Now it's time to precisely position the frame. We use wooden shims to secure the frame from the inside, ensuring even pressure distribution. This is a key moment that will ensure stability and proper window operation. After setting up the frame, we check for plumb and level using a leveling tool. We constantly adjust the shims to achieve a perfect fit. Once everything is precisely aligned, we move on to checking the squareness of the opening. We measure the diagonals precisely to ensure they are equal. This is a crucial verification that will ensure proper window sitting. Once we are confident about the dimensions, we proceed to install the window sash. Using screws and a screwdriver, we attach the frame to the wall, ensuring stability and even pressure. After installation, we double-check the windows plumb and level to ensure everything is in order. We also add support blocks under the window to evenly distribute the frame's weight and prevent any potential distortions. This is an important step that guarantees long-lasting installation durability. If everything goes smoothly, we can proceed to install the window sash into the frame. And use a mounting handle to check if the window operates correctly. Finally, we install the handle and drainage cups to provide comprehensive protection against water and external contaminants. Thanks to these careful steps, the window will not only be a stylish addition, but also a solidly and safely installed building element.